Mugwort Yomogi is an herb deeply rooted in Japan's culture, known for its health benefits and distinctive flavor. In this article, we explore the history of mugwort, its nutritional components, types and characteristics, cultivation methods, and ways to incorporate it into your cooking. Let's dive deep into the versatile uses of mugwort and discover how you can utilize it in your daily life for health, beauty, and culinary purposes. History and origins of mugwort yomogi. Mugwort, or yomogi in Japanese, has a rich history that spans centuries, deeply entwined with traditional Asian cultures. In Japan, mugwort has long been used in both food and medicine, with historical references dating back to ancient times. It was commonly used by the nobility in the Heian period 794 to 1185 for its medicinal benefits and in rituals to ward off evil spirits. In traditional Japanese culture, mugwort was often burned as incense or worn as a talisman to promote health and protection. In China and Korea, mugwort has similar historical significance, being a central herb in traditional Chinese medicine and Korean folk medicine. Mugwort is the primary herb used in moxibustion, a therapeutic practice in which dried mugwort is burned near the skin to stimulate healing and energy flow. Throughout the centuries, mugwort spread across Europe and North America, where it gained popularity for its medicinal properties and use in spiritual practices. It became a common herb for treating digestive issues, promoting relaxation, and supporting women's health, as it was believed to help regulate menstruation. With its roots in ancient cultures and widespread use throughout the world, mugwort continues to be valued for its versatile applications in both medicine and cuisine. Its enduring presence highlights the herb's unique ability to promote wellness and enhance the quality of life. Nutritional components and health benefits of mugwort yomogi. Mugwort is packed with a variety of beneficial nutrients that contribute to its reputation as a healing herb. It is rich in vitamins A, B1, B2, C, and K, as well as essential minerals like calcium, potassium, iron, and magnesium. These nutrients support overall health by boosting immunity, improving skin health, and aiding in bodily functions such as digestion and blood circulation. In traditional medicine, mugwort is prized for its anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, and antimicrobial properties. It is often used to help relieve digestive issues such as indigestion, bloating, and stomach cramps, thanks to its ability to stimulate the production of digestive enzymes. Mugwort's calming effects on the nervous system also make it a popular choice for reducing stress and promoting relaxation. Mugwort is well known for its benefits to women's health. It has been used traditionally to regulate menstrual cycles, ease menstrual pain, and address hormonal imbalances. Additionally, mugwort is believed to help improve circulation, making it useful in alleviating symptoms of poor blood flow, such as cold hands and feet. Its high concentration of antioxidants helps protect the body from oxidative stress, reducing the risk of chronic diseases such as heart disease and cancer. Mugwort is also used externally for its anti-inflammatory effects, helping to soothe skin irritations and conditions like eczema when applied topically. Incorporating mugwort into your diet or wellness routine can support overall health, improve digestion, relieve stress, and provide a natural way to enhance beauty and skin health. Types and characteristics of mugwort yomogi. There are several varieties of mugwort, each with unique characteristics and uses. The most common type is Artemisia princeps, known as Japanese mugwort, which is widely used in traditional Japanese cuisine and medicine. This variety is known for its slightly bitter taste and strong aroma, making it a key ingredient in dishes like yomogi machi and herbal teas. Another well-known species is Artemisia vulgaris, commonly referred to as common mugwort. This type is native to Europe and North America and has been used historically for both culinary and medicinal purposes. Artemisia vulgaris is recognized for its ability to stimulate digestion and alleviate menstrual discomfort. Korean mugwort, or Artemisia argi, is another notable variety, especially valued in Korea and China. It is often used in moxibustion therapy, where the dried herb is burned for its warming properties to stimulate blood flow and alleviate pain. In Korean cuisine, it's commonly used in soups and rice cakes for its distinctive flavor and health benefits. Each type of mugwort shares similar properties, such as anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, and antimicrobial effects, but their flavor profiles and specific uses can vary. Some varieties are stronger in taste, while others may have more potent medicinal properties. Understanding the different types of mugwort allows you to choose the best variety for your needs, whether for cooking, medicinal use, or natural remedies. Mugwort yomogi is known for its distinct aroma and flavor and has been used in various Japanese dishes for centuries. A notable example is yomogi mochi, a traditional sweet that heralds the arrival of spring. The bright green mochi, made with mugwort leaves, is loved for its refreshing scent and is considered a seasonal delicacy. Mugwort leaves can also be eaten fresh, adding a unique flavor to salads. When added to soups, the mild bitterness of mugwort enhances the depth of the dish. Mugwort is a versatile ingredient that can be used not only in Japanese cuisine but also in a variety of dishes. Moreover, mugwort can be dried and enjoyed as an herbal tea. Mugwort tea is known for its anti-inflammatory and relaxation effects and is popular as a natural way to unwind in the midst of a busy day. It is particularly loved for its warming properties, which can help improve circulation and provide a calming effect for those seeking relaxation. Dried mugwort can also be crushed and added to a bath, serving as a fragrant bath additive that helps soothe tired bodies. In this way, mugwort is widely used not only in food but also as a relaxation item. Since mugwort can be quite bitter, removing the bitterness akunuki is important when using it in cooking. For example, blanching mugwort before using it in recipes helps soften its bitterness and bring out its flavors. This technique is common in Okinawan cuisine, where mugwort, known as fuchiba, is widely used in dishes like Okinawa soba and jushii seasoned rice. Mugwort adds a distinctive aroma that enhances the appetite and gives dishes a refreshing twist. Across Japan, mugwort is utilized in various ways, making it an essential ingredient in regional traditional cuisine. Mugwort is a versatile herb with deep roots in Japanese culture, known for its unique flavor, health benefits, and various applications in both cuisine and relaxation. Whether used in traditional dishes, herbal teas, or even as a bath additive, mugwort offers a range of benefits that can enhance daily life. Its traditional preparation methods and modern uses continue to make it a beloved herb in Japan and beyond. Thank you for watching. See you next time.